What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official lowrider. You guys, today, Vlogmas, I was gonna say Vlogtober, Vlogmas day 3. I am changing, I took off my my fall bedding, and now I'm going to put on my winter bedding. And you guys, I got these sheets. Oh my God, they're so comfortable, you guys. They're like, you know, soft blankets. They're like that material. Oh my God. And they're pretty too. So my husband was getting ready to go back to work. So before he went, I said, I have a song for you. And he was like, yes, this song's been in my spirit all night long. So I started singing. I said, before I let you go, you gon' help me with these curtains. Before I let you go, and you're gonna help me with the bedding. He looked at me like, the hell? He thought it was gonna be something romantic. But anyway, he helped me. We got it done, and watch the video to see how everything turns out.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, I'm putting the pillows on the bed, and I'm going to resituate these pillows a few times before I get it how I want it. And I think I'm going to go to Walmart and get some more pillows and some dark gray pillowcases to match the dark gray pillowcases that's on there. But you guys, I'm feeling it already. I am feeling it already. Okay, my lowriders. So far, this is what I have. And I'm getting some gray covers for the chair. And these are blackout curtains. Let me show you guys how dark it gets. Because these were actually down in my living room when I had the blue, gray, and white. But let me show you guys how dark it gets in here when I close them. then if I want it to be a little bit light in here, all I have to do is pull the gray part back like that. So now, I have to open a little bit. One, two. Is there another one somewhere? Two. And I might get some dark gray shears to go in the center because it'll match the bedding. And I am going to do that. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And that's all I have for you guys right now. But I'll be back later on to show you guys the finished product. And pillows too. Yeah. You'll get some more pillows and put the dark gray pillowcases along with the dark gray sheer. And that's that. I'll see you guys in a few. Low riders, I am back from Walmart. I got 2 pillows and the dark gray pillowcases like I said I was gonna do. I don't know why, I just love a lot of pillows on my bed. And I also got the dark gray shears. So I'm about to put this stuff on the bed and on the curtain rod, and let's see what's happening with it. Let's see, you guys. I told you guys I would have situated these pillows so many different ways until I got it exactly how I wanted it. And did. Okay guys, I'm about to put my gray shears in the middle of those 2 curtains. Let's see how that turns out. I guess the joke's on me because I went to Walmart to get those dark gray shears and I already dropped my husband off at the airport, and guess who has to put the second part of putting the curtains up by herself? Me. That's what I'm doing right now, putting up those dark gray shears, and I think it's gonna give that look a more what's the word for it? I don't even know what the word for it is, but it's gonna give it more color on that window, except for just having all those white curtains up there. What do you guys think? Should I leave the dark gray rooms up there also? Or should I just take them down? That candle smells real good. Got that from Walmart also. It's a 4-wick and it smells so good. And now it's time to dust everything off. Usually I dust before I do everything, but today I'm dusting now. It looks so good, you guys. It looks so good. And I'm using my wood cleaner. And it's Method. It's from Target, you guys. I love it. It smells so good. And it makes my furniture shine so good. These 4 books I got from Amazon, and they were downstairs in my living room. And I brought them up here. A few items I brought upstairs to my room. I always shop my house before I go buy new stuff. So that's what I did. That plant was downstairs. The silver little tray that I just had the candle on was downstairs also. So I just brought it upstairs because it matches the decor and it looks really good. I'm going to do a quick vacuum and then that is it, you guys. But I can say that I love what it looks like. And those pictures over my bed, you guys, I think I want to take those down and go get some black canvas from black canvas from Hobby Lobby and throw some splashes of gray and white and light gray, dark gray, and white to match the sheets that I have and everything that's in the room. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And then the wall that's next to my bed that's really plain, I might get some mirrors to put over there. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, you guys, here's the final look. I love it, you guys. I love it. I can't wait to take my hot bath tonight. Oh, my goodness. And lotion up with some of my Peyton Marie Charles's Dubai. Oh, my God. Perfume. Not perfume, but lotion and oil. Oh, my goodness. Yes, look at that, you guys. Oh. And when the blinds is closed, it looks so dark in here, like, so I can sleep really late. Feel like I'm in a hotel, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love it. And before I get off here, I'm going to show you guys what I did downstairs. The pillows that were on my bed previously, and because I went with the gingerbread theme for Christmas, I took all those colors downstairs and put it on my sofa, the front sofa. And yeah, you guys will see. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it, you guys. And I shopped my house and I only spent like $70-something on extra items that I needed for Christmas decor and for my new bedding. This is what it looks like with the blinds, with the curtains closed. And it's actually a little bit darker in here. But I did turn the light up a little bit because I didn't have my light when I do videos, so I had to turn up a little bit because it was too bright. So now it's way darker in here, and plus it's daytime. So oh my God, what you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. Do I need anything else? Is it too much? Is it too little? Let me know in the comment section.